Good morning. This is Thomas with Rod of the Rescue. It's the first in our series of unboxing videos. We've got the Breville Smart Oven Air to unbox. This is an amazing, looks like an amazing product. We'll have some reviews in a couple of weeks as I work with it, but it seems to be an amazing device. It does all sorts of things, everything from dehydrating to air frying to proofing to cooking pizzas to broiling. It has a temperature variance from 83 degrees to dehydrate. Comes with a dehydrator pan and goes all the way up to 428 to cook pizza, and comes with a pizza pan. So I'm kind of excited to work with this. We're going to use it this summer as an oven replacement to not heat up the whole kitchen with our big oven, and of course to go ahead and continue to bake. I do a lot of baking so I can proof my bread, and that will be an interesting thing to do. So let's go ahead and take things out of the box and take a look. Okay, I'm cheating a little bit on the unboxing video, not to actually not unbox it for you completely, but just to save you some time. You'll notice it comes with a manual and a warranty card, so we'll send a warranty card right away to make sure our warranty is valid. Right here. It's got a 2-year limited warranty. First thing I'm pulling out is the crumb tray. That's pretty hefty, so it means one of two things. First, of course, it means you've got a lot of capacity to make crumbs, and secondly, it's fairly decent engineering that's heavy duty. And besides the crumb tray, I've got the pizza pan, and I've got 2 oven racks. One of the ways that this controls temperature for the food is it has like seven positions where you can adjust things when you're using the air fryer, and the dehydrator that comes in handy because you can increase the airflow to make sure that your food is dehydrated evenly or air fried evenly, depending on what you're doing. All right, just a minute, I'm going to get someone to help me pull this box off. Hold on. Okay, so we took a knife and just slit the edges of the carton carefully, and that's how we've chosen to do this. You can open the box your own way. I have to admit, this is packed very tightly, so I'm not sure how you can actually get it out of the box without destroying the box, but that's just a personal view. Oh, let me tell you some other things we discovered when I opened the box. There's a roasting pan, right, with a cover. And then there's this really cool, I can't wait to try this out, air fryer basket. So this is a super convection oven, that's what they call it. It's got a big element. See this? So between placing this in the center of the oven, turning the fan on high, and then using the high heat setting, I have no doubt at all that this will air fry. And this has got at least as much capacity as the air fryer we already own. So it'll be interesting to do a comparison. So French fries tomorrow night. So another thing is, I'm kind of excited that this doubles as the dehydrator and is also the air fryer, and there's enough room in the oven for 4 trays, and you can buy more of the trays as options. So that means you could have 4 trays of vegetables air frying, or even better, 4 trays of herbs dehydrating at a time. That's exciting. So once I take off the last of the plastic and the styrofoam, I notice that there's a thick and heavy duty 3-prong plug here, along with, check this out, good engineering. They thoughtfully applied a finger hole so you can put your finger in it and not yank but just pull. You know, a lot of people hurt themselves or hurt their appliances by yanking inappropriately on 3-prong plugs. Breville has made that almost impossible now. So because this generates quite a lot of heat, there's a couple of plugs here, safety plugs, to keep you back from the wall. They recommend 3 inches on either side. They're the air vents, and 6 inches on top to provide a safe space for air to flow. So remember that when you are looking for installation spaces. Let me turn it around for you. Okay, so the front still has some signage on it. We'll take those off. Oh, and those are LED panels, so if you don't have power, you don't have any indication at all of what's going on with your oven, and that's okay. Good way to tell if you have power or not. So if you look over here, there are places already set up. Top 2 for broiling, the middle 2 for air frying and dehydrating, and the bottom 2 for cookies and roasting, and then slow cooking at the very bottom. And over here you've got a selector button that goes you through your So over here you've got a selector button that takes you through all your presets. There are 13 presets: toasting bagels, roasting pizzas, proofing, air frying, reheating, cookies, dehydrating. I left a couple out. And then they have a frozen food rehydrator, reheater, start and stop button, and then manual buttons for your time and temperature. So altogether, pretty nice. That's what it looks like on the inside. Typical oven. It's got a couple of, looks like ceramic heating cores. All in all, fairly heavy duty. So I'm kind of excited to put this to work and see how it works. I'll let you know. That's all for now. Hit like if you like the video, subscribe to the YouTube channel, all the usual. Social media is activated for this site. Have a great day. Okay, so now we've got the Breville Smart Air Oven in the kitchen where we're going to use it. I'm going to do as the instructions indicate. Oh my God, listening to the instructions. I've turned it on. I've put it on pizza. The interior is empty. So now we run it for 20 minutes, which is a pizza cycle, to make sure that all the chemicals and manufacturing oils, etc., are cleaned off. Not that you'd expect any anyway, but that's what they ask you to do, so I'm okay to do that. So this is Thomas again for Rod of the Rescue. That's our unboxing video for the Breville Smart Oven. Please let us know what you think. We'll make more. Have a great day.